Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add vector face emoji on a photo in PowerPoint. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first open up your PowerPoint and create a blank presentation. Now make layout to blank. Now click on design, click on slide size, click on custom slide size. Now make width to 32.25 and make height to 43 inch. Click on OK, click on maximize. Okay, now our page is ready. Now right click on this page and click on format background. Click on picture or texture file. Click on file and select your picture. Okay, now go to insert again. Click on picture. Now select all of those PNG. I will give download link in the description box. Drag over this PNG. Hold Ctrl Shift key and resize them. Now drag this PNG and set is all of its eggs. Okay, now our work is ready. It's time to export it. Now click on file, click on export, click on change file type and select this JPG file interchange format, and now click on save as. Rename it. So I hope you will be enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please give a like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.